belching up a cyclone. 7,500 pounds of meat, so the digger folk pulled 300 feet. It's a Saturday night, small town thriller by the popcorn stand. After hot dog dinner with raw horsepower, she's another trophy winner as the grandstand shouts for the dirt sledding digger. Drop the throttle, the mud starts flying. Under thunder screams, the turbos are winding. Mutant machine lurches off the line, with the weight approaching ever closer behind. It's a Saturday night, small town thriller by the popcorn stand. After hot dog dinner with raw horsepower, she's another trophy winner as the grandstand shouts for the dirt sledding digger. Coming down the road. Ah, the heroes of the farm kids sitting front row. Digger barrels down with the crowd on their feet as the hot shoe hold out releases the beast. Ripping up the soul into the air with the fuse. Make it to the end of the track with the sled. We all scream out, it's good to be a redneck. It's a Saturday night, small town thriller by the popcorn stand. After hot dog dinner with raw horsepower, she's another trophy winner as the grandstand shout for the dirt sledding digger. It's a Saturday night, small town thriller as the grandstand shout for the dirt sledding digger.